Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to create Todoist task for new notes in OneNote. So imagine this, you have created a note in OneNote. Now your idea is to create a task in Todoist from the data of this note. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details from OneNote, sort it out and manually create a task in Todoist. Now the problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new note is created in OneNote, automatically create a task in Todoist. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate OneNote and Todoist. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you with an example. Okay, so this is my OneNote account and here I'm just going to add a new page. Okay, and the name of the page is Upgrade Windows Vista, and I'm going to add a small description, small content, that is Windows Vista is slow, upgrade it to Windows 10. So we have added a new node, upgrade Windows Vista, and also we have added a content, Windows Vista is slow, upgrade it to Windows 10. So basically now what will happen is we are going to see in Todoist there must be a task related to this particular content, that is upgrade Windows Vista. So let me just take you to Todoist and let me just refresh this. Okay, so after a delay of 5 minutes we have got the result, upgrade Windows Vista. So basically this is the gist. You create a node in Microsoft OneNote, it will be reflected as a task in Todoist. Now to begin the actual integration process in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate OneNote and Todoist. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow. When we click on sign in, you will be directed to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. Let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. So basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now there is something you should know. I'm just going to cancel this. And before I create a workflow, there is something I have to do. So as you can see, I already have created the integration between OneNote and Todoist. I'm going to switch off this workflow. The reason I'm switching off this workflow is because since I'm going to create a new workflow, this old workflow will be running in parallel to it. And this will lead to the duplication of result. Basically, this particular task, okay, it will be repeated twice. So to avoid this double results, I have switched off this workflow. Okay, it is actually none of your concern because we are going to start from scratch by clicking on create workflow. So I'm going to give a name. How about OneNote to Todoist? Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. Let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is basically known as the trigger window. So here I'm going to create a new workflow. If you directly want to access this workflow, you can clone the template of the workflow using the link which I have shared in the description box. So in the choose app, how about we make it as OneNote? OneNote it is. Okay, this one. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new page in section? New page in section is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new page is made in OneNote, then what action should be taken by the system? Now at present we only have one trigger event, that is new page in section. However, in case if you want more trigger events according to your choice, you just have to go to the help section, click this, and when you click on help section, you will be directed to Pabbly forums. In Pabbly forums, you just click on feature request. Here you can make a request for a new trigger event. Okay, so let me just take you to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on connect. In the new credentials, let me just click on connect with OneNote. Okay, so it is asking me to sign into my account. So I have actually already signed in. So let it do it on its own. Okay. So it is asking me access. So before I click on allow, let me just tell you something. Pablo Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So let me just click on yes. Okay, so it is trying to authorize. Excellent. So it has connected and authorized with Pablo Connect. One note has been successfully authorized. So as you can see, there is only one blank, that is my notebook. Okay, so basically there is only one blank, and inside this one blank, it is showing a series of options. So basically these are all the notebooks that is present in my OneNote account. Let me just take you to the main profile. Okay, let me just take you there. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me just let me just take you to home, I think. So as you can see, these are all my notebooks. Okay, my notebook, resume, and my second book. So all the notebooks that is present here is being reflected here. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the notebooks I have in my OneNote account. So what if I create a new notebook? So let me just add a new notebook, and the name of the notebook is, let's say, new task. Okay, I'm just trying to explain you something. So a notebook is getting created. The name of the notebook is a new task. So the idea is that once this notebook is created in OneNote, it will be also reflected in Pablo Connect. So let it get created. Okay, so a new notebook, that is new task, has been created. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just taking you back to Pablo Connect, and I'm just going to refresh this. Okay, so when I refresh this, I can expect to find this newly created notebook in the drop down. So let's have a look. Yes, we do have the notebook, that is new task. Now, what I want to do here is I just explained you that if you create something in OneNote, it will be reflected in Pablo Connect. Now we want to extract the details. Now I'm going to select this particular notebook because I love this. Okay, my notebook, and I'm just changing it back to my notebook. Okay, excellent. So what I'm going to do here is first, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the details of that recently created note. Okay, so in our case, the recently created note was upgrade Windows. Okay, so let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, we do have some results. So basically this result is of upgrade Windows Vista, because upgrade Windows Vista was a recently created node in OneNote. Now what if I create a new node? Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm create a new node. Okay, so let me just add a new page, and we are going to add a new node, Macintosh CLion is here. Okay, Macintosh new operating system. Okay, so let me just add in the content. New operating system is here. Purchase it. So we have added the note. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I am going to once again click on save and send test request. So this time it will show the data, that is Macintosh operating system is here. Okay, this one, it will show this data, Macintosh CLion is here. So let me just do that. Let me just click on save and send test request, and let's explore. Okay, so after some delay, we have got the result. Okay, Macintosh CLion is here. Now, apart from Macintosh CLion is here, we have also added the content. New operating system is here, purchase it. So let's explore where is that. So where is that? Where is that? Nope, we don't have that data. So basically, all that data, the content data, is stored in this address. So we have to extract that data from this particular address. So to do that, let me establish one more window. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose the app as OneNote once again. Okay. So basically we want to actually extract the content. Okay. So let me just scroll down, and let me just click on get page details. Click this, and let me just click on connect. Okay, so we have already done this before. So let me just go to the recent setting, that is hashtag 5, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so basically we have to enter the ID. So this is our ID. So the content is stored in this particular ID. So we are going to map this particular detail here. So to do that, let me just click here, and we are going with the first accordion, click this, and we are going to map the ID. Excellent, we have mapped it. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the data. Of course, the title is Macintosh, C line is here. And where is the content? So where is the content? Yes, this is the content. New operating system is here, purchase it. So using all this data, we are going to create a task in Todoist. So to do that, let me just include one more action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Todoist? Todoist it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create a task? Okay, this one. Now create a task is an action event. There are of course many more action events like create a project, update a project, delete a task. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now in case if you want the action events, all you have to do is just approach Pabbly forum. This is something you get from help section. Go to Pabbly forums and you can make a request for the specific action event that you want to build. Okay, so let me just click on connect. In the new credentials, we have to enter the token. So to get the token, let me just take you to Todoist. So this is my Todoist account. Let me just take you to the profile. So in the profile, you will find the option that is setting. Click on setting. Okay, so this is the settings page. Let me just bring my attention to this part, that is integrations. Click this. Okay, excellent. So this is the integrations page. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, and this is my API token. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So this is the token and we have pasted it. Let me just click on save. So when you click on save, you will find the blank that is content. Then we have the human readable representation of the due date. We are not going to enter that. And of course we have the priority. Now we of course have the project ID. So basically these are all the projects that is present in my Todoist account. Now as you can see, let me just take you to my Todoist account. Let me just close this settings page. Okay, so let me just show you all the project IDs we have. Basically these are all the projects that is present in my Todoist account. So basically what I will do here is I will select one particular project. So I'm going to select this particular project, that is content. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect and let me just select this project, content. Okay, so here in this particular project, we are going to map the details. So we are going with the second accordion and we are going to enter the title, give a space, and after that we are going to enter the detail. So basically this is our content. Where is our content? Okay, let me just explore this. So the content was the page detail we have. Let me just scroll down even more. Okay, so of course we have the get the page details. Okay, we have that, and in the later section we have the new operating system is here, purchase it. Okay, so we have mapped it. So basically this is the title and then we have the content, that is new operating system is here, purchase it. So when I click on save and send test request, it will create a task in Todoist. So let me do that. Okay, so the API response is showing the message has been sent, the task has been created. So let me just click on content. Okay, so as you can see, here is the task. Macintosh C line is here, new operating system is here, purchase it. Excellent. So the presence of this task shows that we have successfully integrated OneNote and Todoist with help of Pabbly Connect. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm just going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated OneNote to Pabbly Connect, and then you have used another action window involving OneNote to get the content. Now after that you have created a task in Todoist. So now there's a perfect flow of data between OneNote and Todoist. Excellent.